Napakalaking problema ang dinadanas ng ating mga kababayan dito sa Siquijor. Nagkaroon ng sitwasyon na napakahaba ng blackout. Kung minsan yung mga ibang residences, may kuryente sila 2 oras lang, 5 oras lang sa isang araw. At nagiging tourist destination ng Siquijor, they are losing that opportunity to develop dahil nga dito sa kakulangan ng kuryente. In the short term, nagpapunta tayo rito ng mga genset, na malalaking genset, 2 genset galing Palawan. The gensets are arriving tonight and tomorrow. That will be a temporary solution. Kailangan natin makahanap ng permanent solution para yung SIPCOR ay yung kanilang commitment para mag-provide ng kuryente sa tao. At we have to coordinate the different power plants nga sa ngayon hindi pa nagagawa. Ito nga, kung titignan natin itong planta, medyo hindi masyadong magandang maintenance. Ang problema, meron na talagang permanent damage na nangyari sa sistema. Nagkaroon ng damage dahil hindi umaandar na mabuti. The SIPCOR has to live up to its commitments. We have given ourselves, sa usapan namin, we have given ourselves a deadline of 6 months for this short-term solution. By 6 months from now, we will then impose whatever new arrangements that we have to do so that 6 months from now, we do not have to resort to the emergency gensets. Now we have to think about fuel supply, the development of even the transmission lines. We also have to make sure that the generators are working properly.
Paano pag hindi po maibigay ni SIPCOR?
Hindi po pwedeng paano hindi bibigay. Hindi pwede. It just cannot be. There, the governor has to explain. He has to explain every day to his people kung bakit walang kuryente. Hindi naman nila kasalanan. Nagbabayad na ang cooperative. Ang problema, yung provider. Kaya yan ang kailangan natin ayusin.